South African politics erupted into chaos today as the High Court delivered a jaw-dropping ruling that directly challenges President Cyril Ramaphosa in what is being described as one of the most explosive political showdowns in recent memory. The ruling comes in the wake of the ongoing fallout surrounding Julius Malema and the dramatic events that have rattled Parliament over the past weeks. Inside the hallowed halls of Parliament, tension was palpable as members of Parliament appeared unable to contain themselves. Shouts, interruptions, and heated exchanges broke out as news of the court's decision spread like wildfire. The ruling has thrown the ANC into disarray, with party loyalists scrambling to coordinate a response while opposition parties seized the moment to question the president's judgment and leadership. According to court sources, the High Court found that certain actions taken by the executive in relation to Malema's political maneuvers and their subsequent fallout may have overstepped legal boundaries, calling into question the transparency and accountability of decisions made at the highest level of government. Legal analysts are already describing the ruling as historic, with potential long-term ramifications that could reshape South Africa's political landscape. The courtroom scenes were nothing short of dramatic. Lawyers representing both sides engaged in a tense back-and-forth that had even seasoned journalists on edge. Outside the court, supporters of Malema and ANC loyalists clashed verbally, creating a spectacle that mirrored the chaos inside Parliament. The political fallout is expected to reverberate through the corridors of power in Pretoria for weeks, if not months. Sources close to the presidency indicate that Ramaphosa is personally assessing the implications of the ruling, with late-night strategy sessions reportedly underway with top advisors. Meanwhile, MPs from across the political spectrum have struggled to maintain composure, with some visibly shaken as the news spread. Social media platforms exploded with reactions, memes, and heated commentary, reflecting the deep public interest and controversy surrounding the case. For Julius Malema, the ruling is seen as a partial vindication, but the EFF leader has remained cautious, signaling that the battle is far from over. Analysts suggest that the High Court's intervention could embolden opposition parties and factional groups within the ANC, potentially destabilizing the party's internal cohesion at a critical time. Political commentators are calling this a turning point moment. Never before have we seen such a direct legal challenge to a sitting president over the conduct of parliamentary affairs in the context of political fallout. This ruling sends shockwaves not just through the ANC but across the entire governance framework of South Africa, said Professor Thabo Ndlovu, a constitutional law expert. As the nation absorbs the implications of the ruling, one thing is clear: South African politics has entered uncharted territory. With the High Court taking an unprecedented stand, the coming days are likely to see intensified battles both inside Parliament and in public discourse. The question now is whether President Ramaphosa can regain control of the narrative, or whether this legal intervention will mark the beginning of a larger political unraveling. The drama is far from over. Political insiders warn that what unfolded today in both the court and Parliament is just the tip of the iceberg, with more explosive revelations expected in the near future. For now, MPs are left reeling, citizens are glued to their screens, and the nation watches as history unfolds in real time.